Welcome to the 2020-2021 school year. I'm Ms. Vitkauskas. If you have honors anatomy, ecology, or introduction to biology, I will be your teacher. In anatomy, we'll be learning about cells in the body with interesting labs and a piglet dissection. In ecology, we will engage in outdoor courtyard projects and build ecosystems in the classroom. Intro to Bio will study the fundamentals of biology with fun activities in preparation for the Bio Keystone exam taken as sophomores. Instruction is conducted on Sapphire or Teams platforms. Team codes are on Sapphire to log into the class. Grading is composed of tests, quizzes, labs, activities, projects, and participation. Please email me with any questions. And when you take a look at my classroom, and we also have an outdoor courtyard. I look forward to having an exciting year in science with you.